Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a tool that can plan your SEO strategy, write high-quality content, humanize it, and help you rank on Google faster, all without hiring a team, then today's review is for you. We're checking out Blazly SEO, an all-in-one AI content and SEO platform that just dropped a lifetime deal on StackSocial. And yes, this one is packed with features built specifically for bloggers, agencies, and businesses who want fast rankings and consistent content output. Here are the biggest features that make Blazly SEO powerful. AI Strategy Builder. Enter one keyword and instantly generate a full pillar plus cluster content map designed to help you rank faster and build topical authority. Ranking Probability Boost. Get on-page and off-page recommendations to increase your chances of ranking up to 90% plus. AI Article Generator with competitor analysis. Write full, SEO-optimized articles in seconds, including product comparison tables and insights pulled from top-ranking competitors. Humanize Content Rewrite AI text to sound natural, engaging, and undetectable by AI detection tools. Perfect for authenticity and audience trust. Built-in plagiarism checker. Check originality instantly and rewrite automatically while keeping your keywords intact. One-click SEO, originality, and AI detection checks. Before publishing, run a final quality scan to make sure everything is SEO ready. Direct CMS publish straight to WordPress, Webflow, and Wix with built-in integrations. On StackSocial, Blazly has two plans, but the Pro plan, the best one, is $99 for lifetime access. Regular price, $250. Includes lifetime access to Blazly SEO Pro. Updates included, one device, new users only. For an AI content strategy plus SEO engine, the value is strong, especially if you're running multiple websites or client projects. Exclusive StackSocial coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. So that's Blazly SEO, a complete AI-powered SEO and content platform designed to help you rank faster, publish better content, and save yourself hours every week. If you want to check out the lifetime deal, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.